This is Mr. V. In this video, we will expand a bracket using the distributive law. So we want to expand the bracket 3 multiplied by the bracket 7 plus 10. And of course, we can evaluate this by first evaluating the bracket and then multiplying by 3 as per our BOM does. But in this case, we specifically want to expand the bracket, which is a good mental strategy to simplify some problems. So 3 into 7 plus 10. And the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute. So step 1 is distribute. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to multiply 3 by 7. And then we're going to multiply 3 by 10. So our next line will be 3 times 7 plus 3 times 10. Now obviously we can simplify this, so we will simplify this. 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 10 is 30, quite obviously. And then 21 plus 30 is 51. Alright, let's look at B. We want to expand 3 into the bracket 9 plus x. So again, we'll start by distributing 3 times 9 and 3 times x, which will give us 3 times 9 plus 3 times x. And when we then simplify that expression, we are going to get 3 times 9 is 27 plus 3x. And we can't simplify that anymore. If we're looking at the expression x multiplied into the bracket 20 minus y, just because we have this variable in front doesn't mean we do anything different. Remember, we can treat variables the same way we treat numbers, which means we certainly can start by distributing x times 20 and x times y, giving us x times 20 minus x times y. And when we then look at simplifying that line, x times 20 is rewritten as 20x minus xy. And that's how we can distribute using the distributive law. It's not that complex. It's just a different way of doing things than we have in the past. Fantastic.